You have been making your chicken pie wrong this whole time. Wait, that is not your regular chicken pie. Let me show you the real deal. You're starting with the filling. I chopped up my Irish potato, carrot, onions and spring onions, just the basics but they bring the flavor. Then I stir fried my chicken just a little, took it out and shredded it. In that same pan I added more oil, saute my onions first, then the potato and carrot. Season with curry, thyme, seasoning cube, pepper. Feel free to make use of any season of your choice. Then add your, if you have a chicken stock, feel free to add it, and then you add water, cover and let it cook. That's my shredded chicken. At this point the potato and carrots are cooked, so I'm going to be adding the shredded chicken. Now let's make our thickener. So here I made use of corn flour. You can use either corn flour or a regular flour. All you need to do is to add water to it. To mix it up properly. And let's go back to our filling. Now in the filling, you're going to add your spring onions. You stir that in a little. Add your thickener. Stir it, turn off your heat and keep it to cook. Let's go and make our dough. Now I'm making use of just flour and butter. No egg added to this because I don't want it crunchy. So you mix your flour and your butter. So you rub your butter into it. Looks like a breadcrumb. Then don't forget you're making use of cold water. You add your water gently, bit by bit. You don't over knead, just enough to bring it together. And then I went ahead to knead on my pan, my board, and you keep it in the fridge to sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to roll your dough out. Not too thick or too thin. Cut into circle or rectangle, whatever shape you like. So I did not make use of a cutter. So after this, you scoop some filling in the middle, fold it and seal the edges with a fork. That's what I used. So keep watching. So I also like to poke a hole on top so it bakes evenly, then brush with eggs for that golden shine. So I always love how neat they look even before baking, trust me. I like to poke a hole on it, but on this I did not. I just wanted to do something different. Did I tell you this was for my and everybody? So it was not a customer order. So after that you're going to rub your egg on it and then you bake. So I baked, for the first baking was 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I went ahead and rubbed egg on it again, and then I baked for 20 minutes. So the total time I baked this was 50 minutes. And trust me, it was nice. I love this. So sometimes you just want to do something and it's not for customers. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and come back for more. Bye guys.